The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our 168 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 168 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and proceed to your refund request tracking right here. Then here you go. So this is a sign that this refund here was rejected by the store. Next thing you want to do is to click on the product link right here. See detail. That's going to take you right here. You can see the seller report right here. The reason why they rejected this refund, everything will be stated right here. However, you can still dispute this particular case and get your refund back with the help of sales intervention by 1688 customer support. There is no need of you to contact the seller because this seller here, they were adamant and they are not ready to return the money back. So we have to make sure we apply for intervention by 1688 support. And for you to do that, simply click on here to apply for intervention through the 1688 customer support. Then you are here. The next thing you want to do is to click on here to state the reason for the intervention. So in this case right here, the first one here is applied to my issue right here. The product was rejected, but the refund was denied by the supplier. So I'm going to simply go ahead and select this option. Once you select the option, click on here to confirm. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then select the first options right here, which states yes. Then go ahead and click on confirm. Then here you have to upload a screenshot. So click on here, your phone. So you have to state the reason right here. So I'm going to go ahead and exit from here, and I'm going to make use of my Google Translate right here. Open up my Translate, then I will state the reason right here. Now make sure you state all your reasons right here. So as you can see, so I have set all my reasons. Then I'll go ahead and click on here to copy. Then I'll go back to my 1688 right here. I will click on here and I will simply make sure you state all your reasons right here. Make sure as detailed as possible so that the support will be able to understand much better. Then I'll scroll down right here. I will make sure I click on here to copy the Chinese character. Then I'll go ahead, go back to my 1688 right here. I will click on here and I'll paste. Now, you will be asked to add mobile phone number right here. It is advisable that you add your warehouse address, shipping company mobile number, they will contact them directly for this type of issue, because remember, you are not a Chinese and you are not in China. So you have to provide a mobile number that they can reach right here. So I will go ahead and get my shipping company that rejected the goods in their warehouse. I will paste their phone number right here. So right here, I'm going to paste their phone number right here. So I'll go ahead and paste my logistic company phone number right here. So I'm going to paste the phone number. Then I will go ahead now and proceed with the screenshot. So having pasted the phone number, I will click on here to proceed with screenshots. So having pasted the phone number right here, then I'll go ahead and make sure I click on here to proceed with proof that the product was not actually delivered. I'm going to click on here now. Then I'll click on here to select from album. Then make sure you did not send a wrong screenshot. So you have to make sure you select the actual screenshot that showed that the product was not received, it was rejected. So this is the screenshot right there. Click on submit. Now you can see it right here. So you can see it right here. Then you can also submit when you ask for refund and it was rejected by the store. So click on here again, click on here. Then you can support with as many as possible screenshots that you have to back up everything right here. So I have a screenshot where I submitted my refund and they rejected it. So this is the first refund submitted, and I'm going to add it all together. So once you submit, upload all the screenshots, go ahead and click on here to submit. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to confirm. Now you have your case submitted successful to the 1688 support right here. So you just need to wait for a response from the support on 1688 Chinese shopping app, and you will definitely get your money back. It's that simple.